Hi everybody, what's up? Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be creating reels for a whole month. We've already done Facebook posts and which are also related to Instagram posting, and today we're going to be looking at creating reels. All right, what I need you to do is record 10 seconds. Let's talk 10 seconds. All right, 10 seconds video of you just doing something random. You could be walking, on the street, you could be taking your cup of coffee. Do something. All right, so what you're going to do, we're going to have ChatGPT as always, and then we'll have Canva, and what else? I think that's it. And your video, you're going to record yourself either walking, smiling, working, doing something. Make it short because you want a reel that is engaging and people are able to watch up until the end, not just getting bored after the 9th second, and yet your video is like 60 seconds. All right. Anyway, so of course on ChatGPT we're going to come here and we're going to start with defining our niche for the day. Let's say we are in finance and we're going to click on that. I like using the finance niche a lot because there's always so much to learn, and I need quotes that can make you feel motivated to get up and work and earn something or do something. So what we're going to do here is ask ChatGPT. We're going to give it a prompt to give me crass financial advice to make someone get up on their feet and start doing something about it's like I'm asking this prompt for myself about their finances. I know we are many of us who needs that push. All right, give me some, something like that. When I use this word crass, I feel like it's a bit too much, but let's see what ChatGPT gives us. Okay, and there it is. So here it is. Here's some crass, straight to the point financial advice to get someone to stop procrastinating and start taking action. Alright, so remember, we are learning how to create these reels. We are saving time on creating more reels during the rest of the month. Alright, so I don't know how many ideas did ChatGPT give us. It gave us 10. We'll work with 10. Alright, 10 can be enough for a month. We'll post 2 per week. Or we can add more. Let me ask ChatGPT to add 20 more. Alright, just like that. And it's going to add more. Okay, so let's first read them and see what it says. The first one is stop buying stupid crap. Seriously, no more Starbucks every day, no more impulse buys. If you can't afford it, don't buy. Prioritize essentials like food, rent, and paying down debt. That $7 coffee could be a meal for the day, and that is all right. I totally agree with it. Let's see another one. Cut the subscription. That one I agree with. If you can't live without Netflix, you can keep one instead of having Netflix, Spotify, all of these things, or whatever else you've been signing up for while pretending you can afford it. Cancel them, and it's only because you can live without them. All right, so here is something. This is really good content to share out there and make someone feel the pinch, like call someone out on their bad financial habits. So here we already have the content that we need, as you can see. Let me see the additional ones. Buy used, not new. If you can't afford it, don't buy it new. I know this might bring a lot of controversy because there are people who, like me, who prefer to buy new things rather than used, especially when it comes to electronics. But anyway, just with consuming content online, you always have to also pick what works for you. If it doesn't work for you, just leave it. All right, and go to the next one. There's no shame in secondhand. Everything from clothes to cars can be found used and for a fraction of the cost. All right, no problem. Emergency fund, start one. I totally agree with this number 16. If you don't have at least $500 saved for emergencies, then you need to get a grip today ChatGPT is not playing around. You need to be ready for unexpected expenses instead of charging everything to a credit card. Very, very important, and that's a whole topic for a different person. We may even need to bring in an expert to talk more about that. All right, yeah, so we have our content here. I like learning about financial stuff, so forgive me if I'm wasting a lot of time here just skimming over these tips. They're really amazing. Now we have 40 content pieces, and you have your 10-second video. If you're able to, you can make 10 seconds video. All right, okay, so that way you're going to have 10 videos for 40 pieces of content. And what you can do with that is divide the pieces of content among your 10 short videos. So that's 40 divided by 10. That means one video will have 4 pieces of content, and that's something you can easily do when you come over here at Canva, where you're going to create a design. It's going to populate for you. All right, so there we have mobile video on Canva, and here basically the entire steps we've been doing on the video about bulk creating. Every bulk creating videos that we've done here, the steps are the same, whether it's for a video, for a post, or for just a quote. All right, so now what you're going to do is come to upload your short videos. Click on upload. I'm going to see if I have anything here on my computer. I don't know for real if I do have anything, because the videos I have are the ones I use for my live streams. I might have something from way back, from Pixabay. Let me see. I might have. Yeah, actually I think I do. I got it. So I found one with a fireplace, so I'll use that one. So while it is uploading here, it's actually already uploaded. I already have it. I actually already have it. And if you don't have a video, you can go to Pixabay, another free platform for you to get content to use for free without having to worry about copyright and things like that. So I'm already at Pixabay. I've already done a video on how to get started with Pixabay and log in and have your own account. All right, so this is what you're doing. So I'm logging into Pixabay. Just give me a moment. Did I log in? I think I did. I thought I did. Yeah. So that's my account. I'm sure you can't see this because of things to do with privacy. Anyway, forget that I'm trying to log in. You're going to come here on Pixabay, click on videos, and look for a short video. You can look for something like motivational videos. Here they are. All right, and then you need to come here on orientation, click on vertical. Once you click on vertical, you're going to see the options that have been given to you. So just select one, the one that you feel is vibing to your audience, vibing to you, and things like that. So we can go with this one. I'll download it, but okay, the downloading part is your job. I just wanted to show you that you can get videos off of Pixabay. I already have the video that I want to use on Canva. So as you can see here, you're going to click on download. Support the creator by liking, you know, just creator to creator, you always have to give each other their flowers, you know. Anyway, so let's come back here. I'm going to use the fireplace one, the one that we downloaded. Right click so that it is like the background. All right, and now it is a 10-second video. As you can see, it's a 10-second video. All right, so we're going to come on the far left pane and go to bulk create once again. All right, and then click on enter data manually. But something we need to do before we get to that point is create an element here that you're going to put in our data. So I need a text box. We're going to text, click on text, and then add a text box there. Remember in our previous video, if you watched it, we didn't set the font, the font size. We did get the font, but we didn't set the font size. So this time around, we already know better, and we're going to go ahead and set our a font, all right, and a font size, so that it doesn't become all bulky. And this time I just want, because remember at the beginning I told you to get a video of yourself. If it is a video of yourself, no one can steal that. But if you're getting it from things like Pixabay, you may want to add your watermark somewhere and things like that. Okay, so now we have our design ready. Do you want it to have some animations? You can click on animate and then give it a sorry, a simple animation like typewriter, and that's it. Now let's go back to bulk create. Now we are ready. Click on bulk create, enter data manually. We're going to create 4 videos. So here you're going to delete, right click, delete the column, right click, delete that column. You want to start on a clean page, then click on add text. All right, so you don't need to add text if you already have the first one here, and we only have that. Okay, so here's what we need. We need four pieces of content. We're going to go with the last 4, 36 to number 40. So click on copy, come to your Canva, then right there, right click and paste. Now there's this thing of these skipping a line. I don't know why I keep getting that. Let me ask ChatGPT, remove spaces between lines. Here. Okay, so what just happened? No, I don't want this. List them, well, list them numbered. I don't know if this is going to work. Let me start these ones. We only need 4 for a start. Let me copy that and see if it works. So before you paste that, you need to come here, delete this, delete that column, and then paste the new one. Yes, now I think it is fine. So once you've pasted your content, you're going to click on done. All right, then come here, right click on the text box inside here, because that's where you want your text to come. And once it is there, you need to click on connect data. Click on connect data. I've explained this multiple times, but just to be safe, if you want to link your data, which is here, your text data field, as you can see here, we've done step 1, 2, we just have step 3, which is now to connect the data to the elements. Elements are what are inside your design, and here it's the text box that needs connecting to this data so that we can bulk create. So we're going to right click on the text box, click on connect data. Once you click on connect data, it will show you this data listed down here, and then you select it. Okay, so once you select it, you click on continue. It's going to give you all the 4 pieces of content that you have copied from ChatGPT. If you're able to do your own piece of content, then still well and good. We're just using the easy ways to ensure that you're saving time. All right, so we are going to click on generate and see what comes up. So once you click on generate, it opens a new tab. Yeah, and there it is. All right, as you can see, it's right there. You can just move it up there, and then just click on play and see what comes up. You click on play. You see, this is a whole piece of content that, in fact, I'm going to use this right away. What I'll need to do is to just add a bit of my own thing, like my name and maybe a logo somewhere up here. So I'm going to redo this and post it on my channel. Be sure to look it out, and I'm sorted for like 31 next videos. That's a lot. And I hope that you're going to do the same and learn something. Remember to click on share here. On downloading, this is supposed to be a video. Okay, so you're going to click on download, click video, and then here you need to click on download pages as separate files. and then you can save the download settings, or you don't have to, but always remember to download pages as separate files so that it doesn't come off as one big video. You need each 10-second video on its own. All right, so I'm going to edit this just a bit, then download it for myself and post it on my channel. Make sure you check it out so that you can learn this thing. Okay, see you next time. I hope you've learned something, you've enjoyed, and that if you're not yet subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting for. If you have something you would like to share, I would be happy to host you on a live stream so that we can talk about these things together, exchange ideas. It's always nice when you learn from other people, and that's what I really like to do. Some of the things that I'm showing here, I have definitely learned from other people. I just didn't wake up one day and find myself knowing all these things. Learning, researching, self-teaching, things like that. Okay, so I'll be happy to host one of you one of these days, or even if it is once this year. We'll get something done. All right, so until next time, stay blessed. Thank you. Remember the tools we use: ChatGPT, Canva, Pixabay, others. There are so many. Make sure you check out the playlist so that you can see what are some of the tools, or rather maybe I can do a dedicated video to all the tools that make my creating work much easier. All right, so until next time, bye bye, and remember to watch these videos because the content here is just out of this world. It's worth learning. All right, thank you so much. I appreciate you, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.